sunlight, huh?
Haven't seen the real thing yet, have you?
Maybe, Raj, when we turn the wheel.
I've got it. Need more hands?
We might in a second. Can you get under it? Turn the wheel your way.
Nah, I got it.
Good fun.
Alright, we're good to go.
Cool.
All right, get right in the front, Raj. You're gonna have to hold her back. You got a block or something you can put in front of the tires?
I can find it. I'll hold it if you want.
Roger's got one, never mind.
Little dust.
We're gonna have to send you some new screws for that. For some reason, we were 10 short. These little screws right here.
Okay.
Two of the caps didn't come with screws. Your foot boxes are all in. See how much deeper the floor is?
Oh my god, yeah.
Yep.
No, your motor mounts are here, okay? These are your mounts for your roll bar,
Oh, okay.
okay? And this pin right here, when you go to hook your tranny up, that's the drive pin for your speedometer. There's a cable underneath with a little transmission that goes on it, all right? That screws to where your speedometer goes on the transmission.
Okay.
That little pin goes inside of that. And that little pin is what drives the speedo. Okay, go down, grab your side pipes. All right. Well, that's pretty out in the sun, huh?
Oh god. It just...
No way. Are you kidding me?
I'm like bordering speechless. Did you get enough of these?
I just got a bunch, but you could probably take. You got new ink?